I used to think I am a real time spiritual thug until this shift happened. Currently, the ascension journey is going through magnificent shifts. Like, I know you can feel it, I can feel it, and it's literally like magnificent shifts. Like, there's so much going on, there's so much to process, and amidst all of these shifts, a lot of us are literally recognizing our true twin flames, are having soul level awakening, are realizing the dream more deeply. It's literally that phase, literally that time when we can literally feel that intense amplitude of our power, of our gifts. And it's literally that phase where we can no longer run away from our spiritual vortex of magnificence. So, all our spiritual gifts, our higher timelines, consciousness that we can tap into from altered state of perception, all of those dimensions where that's so very prevalent, so very real, it's getting more and more prominent to many of us. Literally, you can feel our light work body, we can feel our crystalline body, and our crystalline body is more or less ready for us to feel and literally vibe with and literally function from here and now, and literally feel that coherent connections from this consciousness to the higher plane. The dimensions are aligning, the veil is thinning, and this has been happening to me and a lot of my clients. We've been getting like literal vivid dreams and aspects of our inner child which had like desires of connections and unity. Those dimensions are being cleared at this point of time, and all the places where we were trying to play small, where we were trying to hide ourselves, all of those places, literally, we are being pushed towards our desired timeline. So, this is no longer going to be the phase when we can pretend. So, all the pretension energy is going down the drain, and this is that phase where we being called to buckle up and really show up in our true essence, in the most authentic vibe of our very presence. And we're also being called to nourish our true deep desires, deep yearning and calling. And this is also the portal Ashta commands and higher dimension and timelines are opening. So if you have been yearning to connect to high dimensional planes and high dimensional entities like Bashar, Ashtar, this is that phase. The veil is thinning, that dimension is really connecting to us. So that dimension of ours, our astral self, our Ashtar consciousness, we are reconnecting to that dimension. We can no longer like hide from that dimension anymore. So even if there are protocols and timelines still trying to pull us back to this low vibrational plane, we cannot really be held back anymore. And it's the Ashtar command, it's the calling, it's the very necessity that is literally pushing us towards a high vibrational vortex where our galactic body, our galactic imprint, our connection with our cosmic essence is reconnecting on a very deeper note. And even if you want to run away from those dimensions, our body is completely ready to face those dimensions. We've been prepared. All the clearing, all the purging, trauma clearing, releasing of the ancestral wounds, and everything was preparing us for this event for this day, and finally that vortex of event is here. We are in that precipice of experiencing that grand global shift. We are the event, and we are in that vortex, ready to live our dream, fulfill our dream, and manifest it into existence. And we can no longer run away from our true gifts and desires. What we came here to do, we are being literally called towards it. We are being moved towards the Gaian timeline. This is going to be the phase of a lot of co-creation energy with God. The phase is not about manifestation but about co-creation. We literally have a lot of higher dimensional entities, gods and ascended beings who are already on the other side guiding us, ascended masters, ascended brothers and sisters of light. We will be co-creating with each other literally through our intuition, through our guidance, through our sensation and awareness, and consciously building a beautiful new earth together into existence. And that's what is up, that's what is coming, and we are heading towards it. It's most eventful and exciting phase where all of us are finally getting the justice that we long yearned for. And it literally came as a surprise, it literally came as an abundant blessing for us all. Neem Karoli Baba is blessing us and is helping us, and he's an ascended master on the other side who is guiding us at this point of time in this very portal and is helping us go to the other side. Ascended Master Ram Das is helping us, and of course Ashtar commands are coming down, and a lot of galactic beings are literally guiding us. A lot of entities are guiding us towards bridging the gap. A lot of ascended masters, brothers and sisters who have gone to the other side, who we lost early, are actually on the other side because they are the guiding lights and forces who have chosen to be on the other side at this point of time in this timeline, and at the kind of high frequency they embody. They had the free will to be on the other side to guide us at this point, and we are enormously grateful for their endeavor and work that they are doing to bring forward this ascension journey and fast forward this journey. And many of them have chosen to ascend on the other side because they wanted to accelerate up at the pace of this journey, of this ascension, and that's what is happening. And the ascension journey is beaming at its highest peak and ordered, and we are in that vortex where we are all in that dimension of living our soul purpose, embodying our soul self, and starting to speak our